Hey, fellow Gen Xers, remember when we swapped mixtapes, waited patiently for dial-up internet to connect, or browsed Blockbuster aisles for that perfect Friday night flick? Well, we didn't just survive those massive tech shifts, we thrived. Now, there's another revolution at our doorstep: artificial intelligence. Here's the good news: we're perfectly suited for it. Our generation's adaptability and real-world wisdom make us uniquely positioned to leverage AI to future-proof our careers. So grab your coffee or your favorite retro snack, pop rocks or tap soda, anyone, because we're diving deep into 11 powerful ways to harness AI and secure our place in tomorrow's workforce. 1. Embrace AI as your digital sidekick. Remember your trusty Palm Pilot? It seemed futuristic back in '97. Today, AI is your Palm Pilot on steroids, your ever-ready digital assistant. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI can draft emails, summarize lengthy reports, brainstorm ideas, and even polish your presentations. Imagine never staring blankly at an email again, wishing someone else could craft the perfect response. Now, that someone else is your AI partner, freeing you up for strategic tasks. Pro tip: start by using ChatGPT for drafting emails or summarizing articles. You'll quickly wonder how you ever worked without it. 2. Automate routine tasks with Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat. Programming your VCR to catch your favorite episodes of Friends used to feel revolutionary. Today, automation platforms like Zapier and Make take digital task management to a whole new level. From syncing your calendars to automating your invoicing, these tools eliminate mundane tasks, giving you back hours every week. Pro tip: set up automations for repetitive tasks like updating spreadsheets or forwarding emails. You'll be amazed at your newfound productivity. 3. Leverage AI-powered project management with Trello. We Gen Xers love organized post-its and to-do lists, right? Trello, enhanced by Atlassian Intelligence, now integrates powerful AI capabilities, suggesting tasks, predicting deadlines, and optimizing workflows. It's like having an ultra-efficient project manager who never sleeps. Pro tip: let Trello's AI suggest the best workflow structure for your next big project, saving you from trial and error frustration. 4. Upskill with personalized AI learning platforms. Gone are the days of generic training modules. AI-powered platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning adapt content specifically to your learning style and career goals. Whether you want to master digital marketing or dive deep into data analytics, there's an AI-powered curriculum waiting just for you. Pro tip: take the Coursera AI readiness quiz first, then let it customize your learning path. 5. Enhance your professional online presence with AI. Think of your LinkedIn profile or resume as your online business card. It's got to stand out. AI tools such as Grammarly and Copy.ai refine your online presence, ensuring your writing is polished, professional, and tailored for impact. Pro tip: use Grammarly's tone detector feature to ensure your profile projects confidence and professionalism. 6. Navigate career transitions with AI insights. Thinking of shifting careers or industries? Platforms like Eightfold AI and Pymetrics analyze your existing skills and match you with roles aligned to your strengths. These tools even provide detailed industry insights, ensuring your career moves are strategic, not speculative. Pro tip: upload your resume to Eightfold AI and let it reveal exciting career possibilities you never considered. 7. Optimize your financial planning with AI advisors. We Gen Xers know financial security is critical. AI-powered financial tools like Mint, Personal Capital, and Betterment offer insights into your spending habits, track investments, and tailor retirement plans specifically to your financial goals. Pro tip: set financial goals in Mint and receive AI-driven advice to hit your retirement milestones faster. 8. Streamline communication with AI assistants. Remember playing phone tag in the 90s? Now, platforms like Otter.ai transcribe meetings in real time, while Notion AI summarizes key points instantly. They ensure you never miss crucial information. dramatically boosting team productivity. Pro tip: automatically sync your Zoom calls with Otter.ai for instant meeting minutes. 9. Stay ahead with AI-driven market research. Understanding your industry and customers used to take weeks of manual research. AI platforms like Crayon and MarketMuse analyze millions of data points instantly, giving you a clear picture of consumer behavior and competitive dynamics. Make strategic decisions confidently, backed by AI-driven insights. Pro tip: set competitive alerts with Crayon to stay one step ahead of market shifts and competitor strategies. 10. Unleash creativity with generative AI. AI isn't just analytical, it's incredibly creative. Platforms like Midjourney and DALL-E can generate stunning visuals from simple text prompts, helping you create compelling content and branding quickly. Remember creating album covers for your favorite mixtapes? Now you can do that digitally, effortlessly. Pro tip: create eye-catching visuals for your next project or presentation using a simple text description in DALL-E. 11. Champion ethical AI practices. As AI integrates deeper into our workplaces, ethical considerations grow increasingly vital. Platforms like AI for the People, led by Mutale Nkonde, and the Algorithmic Justice League advocate for ethical AI use, ensuring technology serves as a tool for fairness and equity, not bias and discrimination. Pro tip: educate your team on AI ethics by participating in online workshops from the Algorithmic Justice League, ensuring your AI use is responsible and inclusive. There you have it. Fellow Gen Xers, this AI revolution isn't something to fear, it's something to master. We have the experience, adaptability, and grit to harness AI to our advantage. By embracing these 11 strategies, we're not only securing our place in tomorrow's workforce, we're actively shaping it. Remember, our adaptability has always been our superpower. The technology changes, but our ability to evolve remains timeless. Ready to dive deeper into AI's potential? Subscribe now, hit the bell icon for updates, and share your AI questions and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and thrive together. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and always keep innovative. Until next time, keep evolving, Gen X style.